Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a tutorials in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we take a rectangle and that length is 350 and another take what is the width and this is 30. We take another profile. This line is 60 degree and okay, take a straight one, then touch symmetric both the lines. After doing the symmetric, we are adding the dimensions in this sketch, and the total length is 200. This angle is 60 and this height is 38. This is extrude. Total length is 350. Okay, I understood. Okay, I will tell you. You can take a 350 dimension. After taking the 350 dimension, take this one at same 350. Now one step of our 3D object is completed. Now we are move forward to next step. Okay guys, this one take a dimension. This one will take a radius of 238. You understand why I take this radius? Okay, I will now we are 238 and this radius is sorry, this circle dimension is 162. Now coincident, now it is fully defined. Okay guys, are you understand? And okay, M20 and 2 type thread, there are in these all are in all this thread in all around. Okay, now we exit. Now take extrude command. First I will select this one. How many distance? 30. Now I take it 30 distance. Now convert entities, selecting the dimension and trim unwanted sketch. Then come out from then we come out from the sketch and click the extrude, and on where we can extrude we select the surface, which surface up to the surface, and select the surface. It automatically extend to according to our surface. If our surface is circular, then then our 3D model extrude according to our surface. Again select, we remove this one, we need this one. It is 62 and the distance is 62. go to sketch, reference, we take a plane at front plane. Now this plane distance is, I think it may be 350 half, around 175 maybe, because there is no other dimension regarding to the center of the circle. क्या करें, ये डिस्टेंस तो कहीं सो, I think there is no distance showing in our 2D sketch. Hmm. Hmm. That dimension, that dimension is related to the radius. Okay. Uh, the circle is coincidence according to our that dimension, that radius is 238. I think we calculate this dimension. It is 188.70. Now we take a plane, we move, we flip upside. 188.70. Okay, now this plane at a distance of 188.70 mm. Now we add some other dimension in this plane to shift toward to upward, because we take a tapped hole at size of M20 and their pitch is 2. 139. It is 38 dimension and distance is 30. Now we take a tapped hole or maybe thread. There are so many options in advance. You can take advance hole, or maybe you can take a thread hole. Mm, no, it's so an error. We take another another hole. We take hole wizard. In hole wizard we take a simple hole, and in simple hole we are taking dimension of dia 20. It is okay, 20 is okay. Now we take thread at a distance of hmm, I think thread are through hole. Hmm. Then again no error, so maybe we need to change the dimension. Hmm. No, again one error. We reduce the size of it. Maybe okay. Now it is okay. Okay, I understand. But many times there is some difficulties come in making the threads. You there is another option you can do with cosmetic thread. The cosmetic thread is also good option. Make a drill hole, then put cosmetic hole in that hole. Now it is okay. There is some error are showing. We can take first one, then second one, then third one, because when are taking more than four, every time we give thread dimension in the hole in during the circular.